How to create an infinite scrolling list view that fetches more data using HTTP. We have a list of 15 items that we display inside of a list view. Once we reach the bottom of the list, then we want to load more data. Simply add one more item to the list view. If it is not the last item, then we display our normal items. And if it is the last item that we have now added, then we show a loading indicator. As a result, if we scroll down, the last item is this loading indicator. Next, we add to the list view a controller that we create within the state. Within the init state, we listen to this scroll controller and check if we have reached the end of the list. If this is the case, then we want to fetch some more data from the server. So in our case, we add some more items to the end of the list. With this, if we reach the end of the list, then the new items are appended to our list. Also make sure to dispose the scroll controller in case it is not needed anymore. Next, you could use the HTTP package to load some items from the server. If the response is successful, then we get from the response body the new items, which we simply add to our current items list. Let's also go to this website. From this URL, we load a list of items. Each item that we load, we are only interested in the ID for now. Therefore, let's map over our items. From each item, we extract the ID and return a text item with this number. With this, if we reach the end of the list, then we load 100 items from the server. Next, we want to make sure that we only load 25 posts from our server. Next to the limit, you can normally define a page. If it is a page 1, we load the first 25 items. If it is the second page, then we load 25 more items, and so on. To make it dynamic, we have a page variable that we add within our state. And finally, once we have loaded some items from the server, we increment the page so that we load next time the next items from the server. Let's also go to the state and remove the items, and instead we fetch then initially some data from the server. With this, we load 25 items from the server. If we reach the end, then we always load 25 more items of the server. If we load less than 25 items from the server, we set a flag has more to false. Let's also create this flag within our state. And within the list view, instead of the circular progress indicator for the last item, we display then the text no more data to load. As a result, if we reach the end of the list and there's no more data on the server, then it displays no more data to load. Also add a isLoading flag to your state. Within the fetch method, we make sure that if it is currently loading, we are not loading again. And if it is not loading, then we set the isLoading flag to true. And when we have finished loading, then we set the isLoading flag to false. With this, we make sure if the loading takes longer that we only make one request at a time to the server. And finally, around the list view, we wrap a refresh indicator. Within the refresh method, we reset first of all the state, and then we load all the data, our items again. With this, you can also pull to refresh to make a server request for loading fresh data.